In this part, your teacher will give you a rotary type rheostat with the casing removed. Observe its structure carefully. Connect the circuit as shown. This circuit is designed to use the rheostat to control the volume of a buzzer. Turn the knob of the rotary type rheostat. Can you control the loudness of the buzzer? In this experiment, when we move the sliding contact of a sliding rheostat from A to B, the ammeter reading decreases and the brightness of the bulb also decreases. This is because when the sliding contact moves from A to B, the length of the resistance wire through which current passes increases. As a result, the resistance of the sliding rheostat increases. Hence, the electric current in the circuit decreases and the brightness of the bulb also decreases. Similarly, when we turn the knob of the rotary type rheostat, the length of the resistance wire through which current passes can be changed. As a result, we can change the current passing through the circuit and hence control the loudness of the buzzer.